tō marae o te wairoa. Kia ora, ko Maringi ahau.
Kia ora, ko Tāmoe ahau.
We are your friendly kaihono of Tāhia te marae ki te wairoa. Over the next few months, we'll be rolling out some awesome kaupapa right here on your beautiful marae. These came about as a result of a survey that we put out to you all at the end of last year, asking some of your whakaaro and thoughts on your hopes, your dreams, your aspirations for our people here of Ngāti Kahu, Ngāti Rangi and Ngāti Pongo.
In the survey last year, you told us that these kaupapa are the most important things to you. Tikanga and marae, health and well-being, education and housing, and the list goes on. We look, Charlie boy said he's going to get up when the next ope comes and he's going to do our whai kōrero. We better think of a waiata for our Charlie boy.
Ooh, wee. You got any ideas?
No, I was going to ask you, what you got?
Ooh, I'll have to have a look at my little playlist. What about that one that, you know, that easy one that everyone sings on all the marae? You know,
Which
the one?
What's that
Goes
one?
like this. Te aroha, te whakapono. So you know that one?
Yeah, I know that one. He waiata, tēnua tāhua. Engari, you know, for our Charlie boy, we need to have a waiata that's maybe a bit complement his kōrero a bit more.
Oh, you mean like a waiata from here?
Yeah, one of our ones.
One of our ones.
Would be
Ooh.
good.
What about that one he wrote, that pātere?
O te pātere o te wairoa.
Ko tō wapu mau, tu moke koe, mau mahara noa.
Cut. Hang on. Wait a minute. No, we're not having practice for the karaoke competition yet. No, we're meant to be... We've got to get into the zone for the waiata
Into the zone.
Okay,
Into the zone, whānau mā.
Haki roto. Alright. E hara.
I te mea, no naia nei te aroha, no ngā tūpuna, I tuku iho.
Ka pai, that's better. Yeah, no, remember we've got to get ready for our waiata classes we're going to be having.
That's right, our waiata classes. When do they start again?
The first one is next Thursday, 22nd of June.
Engari koripo te wai ki pāorangi ki te wahapu ki puke whānake ki Ngāti Rangi e karere ngā tai o te awa ki pūpū wai.
Māwaira e Taurima. A series of 3 workshops that will be running over the next 3 months here on our marae. We're currently sitting here in your beautiful wharenui of Kahutapu with our beautiful mama, aka Nene Ngarono and Tāmoe.
Kia ora koutou. So the 3 workshops will be focused on the significant roles that are held here within our wharenui, such as those relating to the paitapu and also kaikaranga for our wahine. So it's open to anybody. If you come, there's no pressure that you will then be seated in this realm, but it's open to anyone who just might want to explore the possibility of maybe in the future filling these roles. Mā waira e taurima.
Ka pai whānau. So in a nutshell, you'll see the promo vid coming out, and just as Tāmoe mentioned, it's open to any of our wahine, any of our tāne, young and old. We will be running collective workshops during the day, but then also splitting off into our rōpū as well. But more details will come out as we go, and Mā waira e taurima te marae I wahonei ma te tika ma te pono me te aro hae. So whānau, how can you help us? Tāmoe.
Right, well, you can come and see us at the Marae office and you can fill in a form, or you can fill in a digital copy online on, I keep looking over there.
Just look in the mouth.